politician, they will have no choice than to listen to what you were saying. Because you put the politician there. Most of us living in Abroche, Ghana for no yen tuaba. We don't vote. Most of us, we don't vote. It took one Ghanaian, and he was, Kofi Kranti was an American citizen then. Kofi Kranti, ono the EC, a court. Kofi Kranti, and the challenge Europa. Kofi Kranti, and no pussy yani a passy say yen to aba. Do you know what the EC is saying? Charlotte Osei, former EC, wama diasporans yan to aba. Or sit the obekebia or sit the benjamin. Lady way subaye, diasporans, omon pese ye petu aba. Na adieno, e ye vote, eni ye dikasa. Na wutua uti abrochwe. Won't fight it, obia fight you, one person. Kofi Kranti, any other people that supported him. Omudio musika. Me mandi. Yeah? We all push Kofi Kranti because that time no, na me a panelist on a political show, High Life Radio. I have known Kofi Kranti for a long time. He did that. What ya broche? Is still also on my own to about. Do you think the politician, they regard you? Me say, they don't care about you. Unless you start voting. Unless you start voting in the diaspora, the Ghanaian politicians will start listening to you. The late Sir John. The late Sir John. Before 2012 election, the late Sir John, I'm ever landing her. Me mandi mikoye MPP. The late Sir John, e katre MPP for say na me ho. Or say mu abroche for de ye hia mo hwiu, ye hia mo sika keke. Or say mu abroche for de Aisha. Or say mu abroche for de ye hia mo hwi, ye hia mo sika keke. So before most of you don't know what you were doing. You call yourself freedom fighters. Most of you don't know what you were doing. Because if you've thought about what you were doing, anybody, whether Oliver, whether Hobsinadoyo, anybody, Oliver or on the plan, Oliver or on agenda. Now where? What I will say, I want to fight for Ghana. Me mandi. I used to speak. Maybe starting politics. Me say, unim Kofi nyakuna wati Holland na. Kofi nyakuna wati Holland no. Ghana today. Gone are those days. Omampenyi dada Akufo time. Ghana today. Kofi nyakun. Holland. His radio station was online. Was the biggest. The whole diasporans. I was the only woman among them men. Kofi nyakun. I've known him for years. Ask Kofi nyakun. Omampenyi Kufo time na me started say me kasa wo abroche radios. Me share ya na me kache me ho say na me kura akua de na me hwehwe ubusa me say o media me pese Ghana ye me pese politics, and I keep asking myself the same question. Dear kura na me pe. Dear, you have to ask yourself those questions. So I came to me busa me ho say me ti abroche. There's so many opportunities in abroche for me. I can do anything that I want to do. And I keep some person me Ghana politics. I have to be what exactly do I want to do to help my country? That is the point. So me be who say kasa na me no. Me be jai radios. Me my panelists. And ma bebre. Da be na Ghana for ma omukasa kasa politics asem. Omoba radios, omoba dabe. So what's in London? So what's in London? Yeah. What was that? Me babe bo edin bi, yeah. Who was an assistant be free hot digital radio. Lady be no free hot dig. Na me free me ho oba Lydia. It's me. One who kwam ya gbeja. Ale segbefia. Kwame Agbeja Alesegbefiam. Nana ya Bobu. Berima Nana ya Bobu. Facebook here. It was me and them. I was the only woman. And me and Casa Madame for Louisa. NDC. UK and Ireland. May her so rest in perfect peace. Where were all of you? Me. Now me friend me home Obali dia. Kwame Alesegbefiam. It was us. Where were you people? And some of the MPP for nene, ebimu ye ministers, ebimu ye government appointees, ebimu listen. After the mewa na Alesegbefiam, akoye minister. Hey, mewa na MPP ni way, akoye way. After I keep asking myself, say, now who cry? Kasa ya who kasa kasa you cry, Mandy cry. What are you looking for? He said, I saw say no is adena ye no. All of them had an agenda. Alesegbefiam had his agenda. Kwame Agbeja ni a friend of Kwame NDC. Stacy for us of true when I'm the mission. Ni a friend of Kwame NDC. Yeah? Listen to me carefully. Mima metra say said you open on and you know na me yama. Hopesin. Ain't me yes had your way now. Listen to me. A do baby me say no. Me, I never want to go and do Ghana politics. Say me kwa MP and now I want to be a minister. No, that was not my intention. So I just have to stop. Hopsin adoye mo bada be. Mas. Hopsin obada be. Hopsin adoye obada. But this Fourth Republic, it started well. The Fourth Republic, you know, it didn't start with Didier. Let nobody. Never, ever started with Didier. It started with tribalism. Yes, and ye Omanpenyi Dada Rawlings. Nay, and the tactics. That's what he did. But it never, ever started with, say, Didier. Because them times, in the 90s, you know, the communicators, you know, they were not insulted. They were knowledgeable. They were well-educated people. So you can see the likes of ex-president Dramani Mahama, the late Yakubu. Yeah? Your friend is saying Nana Domo. Miankasame cousin, Damboche. Your friend is saying Nana Komia. So those people, no, they were prepared. Let nobody lie to you. Say now you started Fourth Republic. It's not true. The Fourth Republic started well. The only thing I know is tribalism. Because now that was Rawlings, one of the game, the two I know use. Don't do that. It is 20 years, you feel 90s. Yeah? We all push Kofi Crime